Hey y'all, we're back. We're done with the layup here. What we did is I took the hair dryer to the trim edges, the openings on either end, so you can you get it to kick off a bit quicker. I do that a lot sometimes, especially when I'm in a hurry or doing multiple parts, so you can get a nice trim edge. That way you won't have to use a grinder, death wheel, or whatever to cut it off, and you're throwing dust and stuff all over the place after it's already hardened up. If you can get to it with a knife or a razor blade, that's really the way to do it. You want a nice smooth edge, and we'll use this grinder tomorrow, or when we get to taking this off, to get a nice smooth edge there and on the bottom. Because what we do is we'll take a scraper and put down the side of the part, between the part and the mold, and blow compressed air in there. And that's how we're going to pop it loose from the model. We're going to have to put a saw cut with the death wheel, with the cutoff wheel, all the way down the top and all the way down the bottom in the middle, so we can pull either side off. Otherwise, it won't come off the model. And you know, we knew that was going to happen. So trim edge should be, I mean, it's not hard, but it's stiff enough to where it's not really sticky, you know. And you'll know, the thicker it is, the quicker it goes off. You know, when you hit it, the more bulk it has. So be careful when you hit it with a hair dryer. You can kind of touch it and feel it and see when it stops really moving from the air of the hair dryer itself. That's when it's really ready to go. It takes a little feeling out, but you'll figure it out. Happy birthday to my buddy Larry Rumsey. Larry's birthday is the same day as mine. That's pretty wild, man. Me and Larry buddies, and didn't know it for a long time that me and Larry had the same birthday. So happy birthday to Larry, February 16. I know you're enjoying yourself. I got the text message at 12:30 last night. But yeah, that's it. Let me give you a quick walk around of the piece here. It turned out pretty good. So far so good. No big air voids. No places where the fibers didn't roll over the edges or anything. It all looks really, really good. It even went around that edge of the cardboard pretty good too. But that's it from the RPM headquarters. We'll bring you the removing of the piece when we got here. But until next time, that's it. Godspeed. We're praying for you. God bless y'all. Thanks for looking in. Happy birthday, Larry.